Welcome guys. If you love cars and want to stay updated on the best, fastest, and most reliable rides, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now, let's get into the top 5 cars that have earned a reputation for being nearly indestructible. Coming in at number 5 on our list is a car that needs no introduction, the Toyota Corolla. I mean seriously, is there anyone out there who hasn't heard of the Corolla? It's the automotive equivalent of a pair of comfy old jeans. Dependable, familiar, and always there for you. But what makes the Corolla so darn reliable? First off, you gotta look under the hood. The Corolla's engine is a masterpiece of simplicity. Toyota's engineers knew that the fewer parts you have, the fewer things can go wrong. And boy were they right. These engines are built to last, with many owners reporting hundreds of thousands of miles without any major issues. And it's not just the engine. Toyota has a legendary reputation for quality control. Every Corolla that rolls off the assembly line is built to incredibly high standards, using top-notch materials and rigorous testing. They don't mess around when it comes to reliability. But don't just take my word for it. Go online and you'll find countless stories of Corollas with 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles on the clock. These cars are practically immortal if you treat them right. And the best part? Maintaining a Corolla is about as painless as it gets. Parts are cheap and readily available, and any mechanic worth their salt can fix a Corolla with their eyes closed. Plus, when it's finally time to say goodbye, you can bet your bottom dollar that you'll get a great resale value. Everybody loves a Corolla. So, if you're looking for a car that's as dependable as the sunrise, the Toyota Corolla is a no-brainer. It's the king of reliability for a reason, folks. At number 4, we have another legend of dependability, the Honda Accord. Now, the Accord might not be as ubiquitous as the Corolla, but trust me, it's every bit as reliable. And the best part? It's actually fun to drive. Honda has always had a knack for building cars that are both durable and engaging, and the Accord is a perfect example of this philosophy. They've got this magic touch when it comes to engineering, squeezing every ounce of performance and efficiency out of their engines while still making them last forever. Speaking of engines, the Accord's 4-cylinder power plants are the stuff of legend, especially the naturally aspirated ones. These engines are practically bulletproof, capable of running for hundreds of thousands of miles with just basic maintenance. Oil changes, air filters, the occasional spark plug, that's all they need to keep humming along. But it's not just the engine that makes the Accord so reliable. Honda knows that a car is only as strong as its weakest link, so they made sure that every component, from the transmission to the suspension, is built to withstand years of abuse. You can drive an Accord day in and day out, year after year, and it'll just keep on trucking. And here's the kicker. The Accord is actually fun to drive. Unlike some other cars on this list that prioritize reliability above all else, the Accord manages to strike a perfect balance between dependability and driving enjoyment. The steering is responsive, the handling is sharp, and the engine has a surprising amount of pep in its step. So, whether you're a daily commuter who values fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs, or a road trip enthusiast who wants a car that can handle long hauls without breaking a sweat, the Honda Accord is an excellent choice. It's the reliable sedan that proves you don't have to sacrifice fun for dependability. Lexus RX, luxury and longevity in one stylish package. Coming in at number 3 is a car that proves you can have your cake and eat it too, the Lexus RX. That's right folks, we're talking about a luxury SUV that's not only stylish and comfortable but also incredibly reliable. It's like finding a unicorn that also makes perfect pancakes. Now, some of you might be thinking, wait a minute, a luxury car that's reliable, isn't that an oxymoron? And I get it. Luxury brands are notorious for their high maintenance costs and finicky electronics, but Lexus is different. You see, Lexus is Toyota's luxury division, which means they benefit from Toyota's legendary reputation for reliability. It's like having a team of ninjas working behind the scenes to make sure your car never breaks down. The RX is powered by a range of engines, but the real stars of the show are the V6 power plants. These engines are known for their smooth power delivery, impressive fuel economy, and most importantly, their bulletproof reliability. We're talking hundreds of thousands of miles with just basic maintenance. It's the kind of engine that'll make you want to pass it down to your kids. And for those of you who are environmentally conscious, Lexus also offers hybrid versions of the RX. These models combine the efficiency of a hybrid powertrain with the longevity of a Lexus engine, giving you the best of both worlds. You can save the planet and your wallet at the same time. But the RX isn't just about reliability. It's also a luxurious and comfortable SUV that's perfect for families and road trips. The interior is spacious and well-appointed with high-quality materials and plenty of creature comforts. And unlike some other luxury SUVs that ride like they're on stilts, the RX strikes a nice balance between comfort and handling. It's actually quite fun to drive. So if you're looking for a luxury SUV that won't leave you stranded on the side of the road or bankrupt you with repair bills, the Lexus RX is an excellent choice. It's the perfect combination of luxury, reliability, and practicality. Toyota Land Cruiser, the off-road legend that just won't quit. Coming in at number 2 is a vehicle that's synonymous with ruggedness and reliability. The Toyota Land Cruiser. This is the SUV for people who want to go anywhere and do anything, knowing that their vehicle will get them there and back without breaking a sweat. It's the automotive equivalent of a trusty old dog, loyal, dependable, and always up for an adventure. Now, the Land Cruiser's reputation for reliability is well-deserved. These SUVs are built like tanks, with overbuilt components that are designed to withstand the harshest conditions on Earth. Whether you're driving through the desert, the jungle, or across continents, the Land Cruiser will take it all in stride. Under the hood, you'll find a range of powerful engines, but the real legend is the V8. This engine has been powering Land Cruisers for decades, and for good reason. It's incredibly durable, with a simple mechanical design that minimizes failure points. We're talking hundreds of thousands of miles of trouble-free driving. But the Land Cruiser's reliability goes beyond just the engine. The entire drivetrain, from the transmission to the axles, is built to withstand incredible abuse. The suspension is designed to soak up bumps and dips like they're nothing, and the brakes are powerful enough to bring this beast to a stop from any speed. And here's the thing, the Land Cruiser's reputation for reliability isn't just based on anecdotal evidence. These SUVs are used by militaries and aid organizations all over the world, and for good reason. They're practically indestructible. Of course, all this capability comes at a price. Land Cruisers aren't cheap. But when you consider their legendary reliability and resale value, they're actually a pretty good investment. These SUVs hold their value like gold. So you can be sure that you'll get a good chunk of your money back when it's time to sell. So if you're looking for an SUV that's as unstoppable as it is reliable, the Toyota Land Cruiser is the clear choice. It's the ultimate go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle, and it's built to last a lifetime. Honda Civic, the compact car that's big on reliability. Our number 1 pick for the most reliable car you'll want to own forever is the Honda Civic. The humble Civic has earned its place at the top thanks to its legendary reliability, affordability, and fun-to-drive nature. It's like that friend who's always there for you no matter what. Some might be surprised to see the Civic at the top of our list. It's a compact car, not a hulking SUV or a luxury sedan. But don't let its size fool you. The Civic is a giant when it comes to reliability. Its lightweight yet durable design is key to its longevity. Honda engineers are masters of efficiency, and the Civic exemplifies this. By minimizing weight without sacrificing strength, they've created a fuel-efficient and long-lasting car. Less weight means less strain on the engine, transmission, and suspension, leading to fewer repairs. The Civic's 4-cylinder engines are renowned for their reliability. These engines are efficient and surprisingly peppy. And the best part? They're built to last. With regular maintenance, a Civic engine can run for hundreds of thousands of miles. It's the kind of engine that'll make you wonder if Honda has discovered the secret to eternal life. But the Civic's reliability goes beyond just the engine. Honda has a reputation for building incredibly well-screwed-together cars. From the fit and finish of the interior to the durability of the suspension, everything feels solid and well-made. It's the kind of car that inspires confidence, knowing it won't let you down. And here's the kicker, the Civic isn't just reliable, it's also fun to drive. Honda has a knack for injecting sportiness into their cars, and the Civic is no exception. The steering is responsive, the handling is sharp, and the engine has pep. You might not think of a Civic as a driver's car, but it's more engaging than you might expect. So if you're looking for a car that's affordable, fuel-efficient, fun to drive, and incredibly reliable, the Honda Civic is the clear winner. It's the compact car that proves you don't have to sacrifice anything to own a car that will last you a lifetime. And there you have it, the top 5 most reliable cars you'll want to own forever. These cars aren't just transportation, they're long-term investments in worry-free driving. Which one is your favorite? Do you own a car that's been running strong for years? Let us know in the comments below. For more must-know car lists and automotive deep dives, check out our other videos on Detroit Motor Marvels. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.